Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakar Kadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching his word truthfully and sincerely, and shalom to the Akim scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom to you Akim out there. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out. This is from cnbc.com. And this is published by Alex Haran and Tana Mitchell of cnbc.com, if I pronounced their names right. And this was updated April the 26th, 2023 at 6:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I covered the markets yesterday as well too, because the markets was dealing with a crash of the Dow Jones and S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite as well too. And it comes within yesterday. You had a collapse with the First Republic Bank, I believe, and that can affect the markets as well too. So now we a day later. Now it's once again the markets has crashed again due to the woes of the First Republic Bank of their recent collapse as of yesterday. Now this is the second day they're still having concerns about that. As it reads, the Dow Jones S&P 500 closed lower Wednesday as First Republic woes eclipse the big tech earnings. It says the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost more than 200 points as investors worry over First Republic overshadowed their excitement around big tech earnings. The blue chip index declined to 22.96 points or 0.68% to end at 33,301.87. After trading up more than 100 points earlier in the session, the S&P 500 slid 0.38% and closing at 4,055.99. The technology-heavy Nasdaq Composite added 0.47% to finish at 11,854.35, trimming gains after jumping as much as 1.43% in the trading day. And this is a graphic graphics chart right here show the Dow Jones Industrial fell once again for the second time due to the First Republic Bank data statistics of their crashing as well too, as of yesterday and today as well too, which is 228.96 points and 0.68% for the second day. It says First Republic Bank slid nearly 30%, extending losses after falling almost 50% on Tuesday. The regional bank said late Monday that its deposits dropped 40% to 104.5 billion in the first quarter. To reignite concerns about the health of the banking system, initially prompted by the closure of Silicon Valley Bank last month. Bloomberg reported Wednesday that the U.S. bank regulators will consider downgrading their assessments of First Republic, which could hinder the bank's ability to borrow from the Federal Reserve. It says Moscow. I meant to say Microsoft. Excuse me for that. Microsoft climbed more than 7% to trade at its highest point in more than a year after beating Wall Street expectations on the top and bottom lines in its latest quarter. The company also said it saw a big jump in revenues for intelligence cloud business segment. Amazon rose more than 2% as some markets participate grew hopeful that the e-commerce giant cloud business could also show strength revenue growth. So that's the rest of that right there. But as of today, the markets crashed once again for the second time due to the fact of the First Republic Bank